Hidden amidst the world's most breathtaking landscapes, a journey begins. This is where the story of...
From the very first touch, skilled hands meticulously select only the ripest cherries, a testament to unwavering dedication and tradition.
Each perfectly ripe cherry, a tiny jewel, holds the promise of exceptional flavor, carefully nurtured by nature and human effort. Baskets overflowing with nature's bounty are carefully transported, a testament to the harvest's success and collective dedication.
At the collection point, the day's harvest is meticulously gathered, each cherry beginning its transformation journey towards perfection.
Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection. Precision weighing ensures only the finest, perfectly ripe cherries meet our exacting standards.
Everything running smoothly?
Yes, the cherries are moving perfectly.
In controlled fermentation tanks, the beans develop their unique flavor profile, a silent alchemy.
The audio features a voiceover narration. The speaker delivers a calm, empathetic, and narrative.
Clean, green, and perfect, the hulled beans cascade into sacks, prepared for storage, awaiting their grand transformation. In our meticulously controlled warehouse, green coffee beans rest, preserving their inherent quality, awaiting their destiny. The heart of transformation, colossal roasters stand ready, poised to unlock the profound depths of coffee's hidden flavors. Inside the fiery drum, green beans dance, beginning their intricate transformation, unlocking the rich aromas and flavors within.
With decades of experience, the master roaster meticulously monitors every nuance, ensuring perfection through keen observation.
Every degree, every shade, precise monitoring ensures the beans reach their optimal roast, unlocking unparalleled flavor. Each bean, a masterpiece of roast, reveals its unique character, shimmering with promise, ready for the ultimate taste test. In the lab, a Q-grader's discerning eye meticulously sifts through roasted beans, ensuring only perfection proceeds. Precise measurements and expert judgment merge, quantifying the roast degree, ensuring every bean meets our stringent quality benchmarks. In the cupping lab, experts meticulously evaluate each coffee's aroma and flavor, discerning the nuanced symphony within. The delicate break of the crust unleashes a torrent of complex aromas, revealing the coffee's true, profound character.
The rich, dark mound of freshly ground coffee, blooming with aroma, awaits its final step: elegant packaging.
With pinpoint accuracy, rich ground coffee fills each luxury bag, sealing in freshness, ready for its elegant closure. Automated precision seals each bag, locking in the exquisite aroma and flavor, preserving its journey to perfection.
The perfect seal, the subtle embossment, every detail reflects our commitment to unparalleled quality and luxury.
A final, meticulous inspection ensures every luxury bag is flawless, a perfect representation of our unwavering commitment. Every debossed detail, a mark of distinction, whispers luxury, embodying our dedication to unparalleled aesthetic perfection.
In our expansive, modern warehouse, countless boxes of gourmet coffee stand ready, poised for global distribution.
Every box meticulously tracked, A digital signature ensures precise, transparent delivery from our warehouse to your door. Under expert supervision, our meticulously crafted coffee embarks on its journey, destined for discerning connoisseurs worldwide.
From our doors to yours, our premium coffee embarks on its journey, a symbol of quality reaching every corner.
Behold the raw potential, a single green bean, holding within it the promise of unparalleled flavor and aroma.
In our research lab, scientists meticulously nurture each coffee seedling, ensuring robust growth and superior bean quality.
Within our advanced greenhouses, automated systems delicately nourish young coffee plants, ensuring their optimal growth and vitality.
From delicate blossoms, life emerges. Each tiny flower, a precious harbinger of the exquisite coffee cherry to come.
Nature's masterpiece unfolds. Green cherries transform, slowly ripening to a vibrant red, perfecting their inner essence.
With practiced grace, skilled hands meticulously select each ruby red cherry.
Nestled in woven baskets, each hand-picked cherry, a jewel of the harvest, holds the promise of exceptional flavor. With practiced precision, skilled hands remove imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality cherries proceed to the next stage. Mechanical grace reveals the heart of the cherry, the green bean, now free from its pulp, ready for fermentation. High-speed optical sorters meticulously inspect each bean, ejecting imperfections with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring utmost purity. Microscopic precision in action. Air jets expertly remove even the tiniest imperfection, guaranteeing unparalleled quality. In controlled environments, fermented beans undergo their flavor alchemy, meticulously monitored for optimal development and taste. With scientific precision, the refractometer measures sugar levels, guiding the delicate fermentation process for peak flavor. On raised beds, green beans slowly dry under the sun and mountain air, carefully raked, absorbing nature's essence. Each bean, meticulously turned by hand, ensures even drying, a testament to the artisan's patient, unwavering dedication.
Perfectly cleaned, each green bean glides along, awaiting its destined transformation, a symbol of pure potential.
In our vast, climate-controlled sanctuary, premium green beans rest, awaiting their momentum. The heart of our craft roars to life. Massive roasters, gleaming with power, prepare.
With a subtle touch, the master roaster fine-tunes the process, an artisan's precision guiding the beans to perfection. The first crack, a symphony of transformation as beans expand, releasing their nascent aromas. A pivotal moment. Time is essence. The digital timer counts down as beans achieve their perfect medium roast, glistening with promise. A masterpiece of roast. Each bean, perfectly dark, glistens with rich oils, a promise of profound flavor. Under the Q grader's discerning eye, every roasted bean undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring absolute perfection in quality. Beyond human perception, advanced optical sorters quantify perfection, ensuring every bean meets our uncompromising standards. The ultimate test. A Q grader's refined palate savors each brew, discerning the intricate symphony of flavors. With practiced precision, the Q grader's palate deciphers every note, unlocking the full, complex spectrum of flavor. Coarse, medium, or fine, our precision grinding delivers the perfect texture for every brewing method, from French press to espresso. Nitrogen infusion, a crucial step, displacing oxygen, preserving the coffee's delicate freshness, ensuring unparalleled quality. The final seal. Airtight perfection locks in freshness, safeguarding the coffee's exquisite aroma and flavor for its journey. Innovation and elegance converge. The one-way valve preserves freshness, while the embossed logo signifies unparalleled luxury. A symphony of precision. Each luxury bag glides, weighed and labeled, ready for its final elegant presentation. Every detail, precisely verified. Weight and label placement undergo final scrutiny, guaranteeing absolute perfection.
Oil-stamped perfection. Every label, a testament to our brand's luxury, meticulously aligned, flawlessly presented.
Our expansive luxury warehouse, a symphony of automation, prepares gourmet coffee for its global journey, meticulously managed.
Holographic security seals guarantee authenticity. Each box, meticulously verified.
Under vigilant supervision, our luxury coffee embarks on its journey, transported in climate-controlled perfection to discerning clients.
Onward to discerning palates. Our luxury coffee travels, a symbol of
A price reflecting perfection. Each $200 bag embodies unparalleled craftsmanship, a luxury experience awaiting discovery. The art of brewing. A skilled barista meticulously crafts each pour-over, unlocking the coffee's deepest, most exquisite flavors. A cascade of liquid gold, freshly brewed, aromatic, and exquisite, awaiting your first, unforgettable sip.
The first sip, a moment of pure bliss, as the rich, complex flavors.
Pure bliss, a symphony of flavors, a journey from seed to soul, culminating in this exquisite moment.
From boutique to bustling market, our luxury coffee reaches connoisseurs, bringing unparalleled taste to every corner.
Even on the go, our skilled baristas craft perfection. Rich, aromatic espresso, a moment of luxury in every cup. Perfect crema, a testament to exquisite espresso. Rich, dark, and inviting, a true masterpiece in a cup. In vibrant markets, our gourmet coffee unites diverse palates, a shared moment of unparalleled taste and joy. Anticipation builds, lips meet cup, a whisper of steam, before the exquisite journey of flavor begins. As day ends, the plantation rests, a testament to nature's bounty and the diligent hands that nurture its extraordinary harvest. From the earth's embrace, through dedicated hands, the journey of extraordinary coffee is a story of passion. A single cherry, kissed by the setting sun, embodies the essence of nature's perfection, a promise of exquisite taste. The master roaster, his work complete, sifts the cooled beans, a quiet satisfaction in a job perfectly executed. In his seasoned hand, perfectly roasted beans, a culmination of passion and expertise, ready to share their story. Whole bean or expertly ground, our $200 luxury coffee bags stand as symbols of unparalleled quality and refinement.
Beyond price, a promise. The $200 signifies a dedication to unparalleled craftsmanship.
In the comfort of your home, experience serene indulgence. Our gourmet coffee elevates every morning ritual.
Freedom and luxury intertwined. Our coffee fuels your journey, a companion to life's most exquisite adventures.